Our 80s Omnibot has had a few upgrades in the last week. We've named him Jack, and we've replaced Jack's eyes, which were formerly incandescent bulbs, with ultrasonic range sensors and a high-definition camera for facial recognition. Part of his guts are still laying about, and he is propped up so that he does not run off the workbench. But this little Raspberry Pi is going to be his primary brain. The speaker's hooked up just so he can talk right now, so we can hear what he has to say. This is a shot of his kinematics and navigation system, and if you notice the little white dot all the way at the very front of the robot, that is an NFC tag that lets me or anybody else bring out their phone and touch the front of the robot and be presented with a web page that lets them control the robot. We took that one step further with the direct Alexa integration. So Alexa, tell Jack to enable fully autonomous mode.
Jack autonomous mode enabled.
Alexa, tell Jack to stop.
Jack stopped.
Alexa, tell Jack to roam about.
Thank you, sir.
Jack autonomous mode enabled.
Alexa, tell Jack to stop.
Very good.
Jack stopped.